So happy morning. So today I am going to take topic of the three-phase induction motor. So generally three-phase induction motor has two types for rotor side. This one is for squirrel cage induction motor, three-phase induction motor. Another one is slip ring induction motor. Now I am going to discuss about for three-phase induction motor rotor side. Before going to discuss rotor side, I am going to discuss about for stator. That stator means that first, before that, the induction motor there are several parts. It's like as a yoke. Yoke is nothing but for body. The second one is the stator. The second one is the stator core. The third one is the stator winding. And parallelly, rotor. Rotor is that major two part. One is the rotor core. Another one is the rotor winding. Now, I am going to discuss about for stator side. The stator is the winding part, your body and slot. The yoke is construction under the steel because the high mechanical strength and also protection. And stator winding for silicon steel materials because reduce the losses. Then the slot, stator slot, in position for the slots we are provide for windings, three-phase windings. Three windings connected to three supply like this RYB. So this is for stator side. So convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. We are going to give the input for stator side. Then EMF produced in the rotor and convert to the mechanical energy in the rotor side. It is self-starting motor. This motor is self-starting. Then now I am discussed for self-starting node, then previously, then single phase induction motor also there, but that particular motor is not self-starting motor. That's why I am saying that this motor is self-starting machine. This working principle is electromagnetic induction principle. The same principle, one more static machine is available in our program, like this transformer. Transformer is a electromagnetic induction principle. So sometime the three-phase induction motor called as a rotating transformer. So why is reason? This both motor and transformer is both electrical induction principle. So EMF induced when we are going to give the supply, EMF induced in the rotor magnetic field. And also already I will discuss about the stator and rotor part. Now I am going to for construction. This is for stator. This is body yoke, this is a frame, then this is for the slots. This is laminated to slots. Already I will discuss. This is reduced for current losses. This consists of three-phase winding and produce RMF, rotating magnetic field produced when we are going to give the supply, AC supply, and the speed is synchronous speed. N is equal to synchronous speed. N is equal to 120 F divided by P. 120 is the constant value, F is for frequency and P for number of volt. In our Indian standard, the frequency is always, they are maintained for 50. So S means synchronous speed. Synchronous speed is nothing but full speed of them. Then one more speed is that is the NR. NR is nothing but running speed. So always the running speed less than the synchronous speed. This is for the rotor. This rotor is type is squirrel cage induction rotor. This rotor is very simple and look construction, and also this made on aluminum or copper bar. This bar are also short circuit connect to two end rings but not parallel, just twisted part. Then no external resistance can be added here. But one more type for slip ring induction motor, in rotor side we are going to add for external resistance. For purpose, the time of starting torque is increased. Comparatively, and rotor slip ring squirrel cage induction motor and slip ring induction motor, both the compare no. Slip ring induction motor is a high starting torque, and squirrel cage induction motor is a low starting torque. Now, discuss about for slip ring in rotor side. The rotor side, there are three windings, typically stator winding. Each winding in the end connected to the bars and slip rings. and also external resistance. These resistance purpose of starting torque improvement. These three-phase connected through the slip rings, and external resistance can be added for additional resistance and used for better starting torque control. Okay, these are these advantages. What are the advantages for this squirrel cage and as well as slip ring induction motor? The simple and liquid construction and also strong. Most of the industry, around 90% and above industry used for the squirrel cage induction motor. 10% used only for slip ring induction motor, because reason, wherever we need for high starting torque applications, that place only we are used for slip ring induction motor. So this is cost also very less compared to other machines, and high efficiency and reliability and maintenance also very less. These all are advantages for the induction motor. Disadvantage means this is the speed, and speed control is very difficult. Speed also not attain the synchronous speed. I think any condition, the synchronous speed ns not equal to nr. So second one is speed control also very difficult for squirrel cage induction motor, but slip ring induction motor can be possible for speed control, because reason, we are going to connect for external resistance. Whenever the external resistance to move, the resistance values maybe increase or decrease, that time torque will be almost change. So next one is these applications. These applications used for lift and grain, fan and lathe machines and crushers and textile industries. See, all the major industries we used for induction, three-phase induction motor, particularly squirrel cage induction motor. So few applications only used for the slip ring induction motor. Now I am going to compare to two type of rotors. Then this is squirrel cage rotor, then is slip ring rotor. This is low starting torque, this one is high starting torque compared to a squirrel cage, and no slip rings brushes are not provided for squirrel cage induction motor, but slip ring induction motor can be possible and also provide. And the squirrel cage induction motor, the construction is very difficult, and as well as the cheapest, I think very low cost compared to slip ring induction motor, maybe high efficiency and as well as cost also high. The both machines are very comfortable, traditional in throughout the world. Everyone is used for three-phase induction motor. Then why is called for three-phase induction motor? This, whenever we are going to supply, given supply, three-phase supply, give to the motor, this three-phase induction motor. So one more motor is there for single-phase induction motor. The single-phase induction motor is the same type and same construction and all, but there are different types, because the reason, this motor is self-starting machine, but single-phase induction motor not self-starting machine, and also different type, because not self-starting, no, we are going to add saddled pole and additional capacitor start and additional capacitor run and as well as split phase. These types, different types. That single-phase induction motor widely used today, because all home applications like as a grinder and mixie and some bump, all different type of application, no, all the types are used for single-phase induction motor. So thank you very much for listening. If you have any doubt in this regarding, please ask question. I will clarify all the questions now. Thank you.